Today I am reviewing the ATEC 32GB DDR3 1066MHz desktop memory kit. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The ATEC 32GB DDR3 memory kit is one of those essential upgrades that proves even older hardware can be given a second lease on life with the right components. After installing this 4x8GB kit into a series of older desktop workstations and consumer PCs, the performance delta is immediately apparent, especially in environments where multitasking and system stability are the top priorities. While much of the tech world has moved on to DDR4 and DDR5, there remains a massive ecosystem of reliable DDR3 base systems that are held back not by their processors, but by a lack of sufficient memory headroom. This kit from ATEC addresses that bottleneck with industrial-grade reliability and a level of compatibility that is increasingly hard to find in the aftermarket memory space. Running at a frequency of 1066 MHz with PC3-8500 specifications, this memory is designed for stability above all else. In my testing, the dual-rank 2R/8 configuration provided excellent data throughput, which is critical for those legacy systems that may be used for home servers, media centers, or dedicated office terminals. Moving from a standard 8 or 16GB setup to a full 32GB completely changes the behavior of the operating system. Background processes that used to cause microstutters vanish, and web browsers with dozens of open tabs no longer force the system to swap data to a slow mechanical hard drive or even an early-generation solid-state drive. The build quality of these ATEC modules is noticeably professional. They arrived in high-quality anti-static protective retail packaging, which is a small but vital detail that prevents static discharge during shipping and handling. The modules themselves are non-ECC Unbuffered DIMMs, making them compatible with the vast majority of consumer and business-class desktops from the DDR3 era. During a stress test involving several hours of heavy memory utilization, the sticks remained cool and showed zero errors in diagnostic software. This level of consistency is exactly what you want when you are trying to extend the lifespan of a dependable machine. What truly sets ATEC apart in this segment is the support structure. In an era where legacy components are often sold by fly-by-night vendors with no accountability, ATEC provides a genuine lifetime warranty and access to technical support based in the United States. This gives the user a level of confidence that is rare for older technology upgrades. The installation process is as straightforward as it gets for a 240-pin DMM. The sticks seat firmly into the slots, and in every test system I used, the BIOS recognized the full 32GB and correct timings on the very first boot without any manual adjustment required. It is important for users to verify that their specific motherboard and processor combination can support 8GB modules and a total capacity of 32GB, as some early DDR3 boards have a 4GB per slot limit. However, for those with compatible systems, this upgrade is a revelation. It transforms a sluggish, aging computer into a responsive and capable workstation that can handle modern software suites and intensive multitasking with ease. This kit is a testament to the fact that you do not always need a brand new computer to get a high-quality computing experience. By maximizing the RAM capacity with high-quality, dual-rank sticks like these, you are essentially future-proofing a classic machine for several more years of productive service. It is a cost-effective, high-impact solution for anyone looking to maintain their current hardware while enjoying the smooth performance of a modern system.